Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Every year around the holidays, I like to share some type of a cookie recipe with you. So I think I have done thus far in the years that I've been doing YouTube, I have a really good ricotta cheese cookie, which is my absolute favorite. So that's out there somewhere on YouTube. I have a chocolate chip cookie recipe that's a little bit different probably than any chocolate chip cookie recipe that you have ever tried. And I believe I more recently did my snickerdoodle cookie recipe. So this year I'm going to share with you my favorite sugar cookie recipe, and I often throughout the year bring cookies to some of my local clients as a thank you gift, and this year I did it quite often. So this is not a recipe that I only make at Christmas time. I also make it throughout the year. And the good thing about sugar cookies is you can design it in any way that you want to for any holiday. So this is going to be my Mickey Mouse sugar cookies that I share with clients. And during the holiday season, these are the very same cookies that I will be sharing. So I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along as I make and ice these really delicious cookies. My daughter Emily is my artist. She does really good with the icing. They come out so cute every time. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this. And again, obviously you don't have to cut them in the shape of Mickey Mouse. They could be any shape that you want, but the recipe is delicious. Okay, so today we're going to make Mickey Mouse cookies, and I'm going to use this cookie cutter that I think I got at Walmart a long time ago. And here are the ingredients. So we have 1.5 cups of butter, softened, which is right here, 2 cups of sugar I have in this bowl. So we need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I am going to get this started. I am also using this small Mickey cookie cutter, so I have a combination of big and small depending on what I'm making. This is actually also a sandwich cutter, so it's pretty big, but it also makes for a nice large cookie if you want to get some like really cute designs going. One thing that's important to know is you absolutely need to refrigerate these cookies, because oftentimes I don't have the patience to wait a few hours or overnight. I'm like hustling to get the cookies out to a client or a friend or whatever it is that I'm doing. And if I take them out too early, they really do fall apart. And even if I can manage to cook them without falling apart, without the dough breaking apart, once they are cooked and they harden, they will still fall apart when I do the icing process. So I would highly recommend refrigerating this dough overnight if you can, and that will really give you the best result. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the icing part, which again, my daughter Emily is going to help me with because she is just way better at it than I am.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
It's always lots of fun to package the cookies in these little red boxes that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I just think they make for a really pretty presentation, especially for the holidays. The Dollar Tree does have some really cute containers. They have plastic containers, but they also have these really adorable cardboard containers, and I just line them with parchment paper and put the cookies inside, and it's just really cute, and it's a nice little gift to drop off at a neighbor's house, or in my case, to some clients. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed coming along today as we made our first batch of holiday cookies, and it's always fun to bring you along. Totally check out my previous Christmas cookie videos. They are some of our family favorites. They are the cookies that I always have on the list of cookies to bake every year. My snickerdoodles, my ricotta cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and of course the sugar cookies. They are just staples in my cooking, baking journey of the season. Does that make sense? They're definite must-tries if you haven't already. I hope that you guys are excited and gearing up for the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.